Welcome to this hands-on demo. In this lecture, I will show you how to use ChatGPT as a creative partner to brainstorm campaign ideas and write compelling copy. By the end, you will see how fast and easy it is good to go from a blank page to a polished marketing draft. So let's go to the prompt list. This is our prompt list for this session. So first we set up the demo that let's imagine that we are creative leaders at a sustainable fashion brand targeting Gen Z customers. The challenge, we need campaign ideas that feel bold, authentic, and social first. So what we can do, the prompt one, what I mentioned, campaign brainstorming. So we can give this prompt here. So what is the prompt? Act as a creative marketing strategist, generate 5 campaign ideas for a sustainable clothing brand targeting Gen Z, focus on social media engagement and viral potential. So let's copy this prompt list here. And I'm going to our ChatGPT here and paste the prompt. And let's go through what is the output it is going to generate here. You see, it is generating the different campaign ideas, like the first case outfit swap challenge. It mentioned concept and then execution, engagement, and viral potential. So it is generating. Yeah, it's complete the generating. So the first case is outfit swap challenge. The concept is encourage followers to swap a thrifted or old outfit piece with your sustainable item. So you are swapping something. Execution like TikTok Reels trend with fast outfit transitions. Engagement hook. Tag 3 friends to join the challenge and feature the best swaps on your brand's page. Viral potential. Grow up format. Gen Z loves while highlighting sustainability. Another case like fashion footprint filter. Like launch an air Instagram filter that reveals the carbon on water footprint or fast fashion versus your eco-friendly fashion. So this is it's going the ideas. Another case like eco street style pop-up. So organize a small surprise pop-up green runways in urban spots while young people hang out. Like, and then you can execute. So this is the idea. And what is the viral potential? Like blends real world buzz with digital FOMO. And the last two is sustainability meme drop and where your values story series. So let's give the example here. Like number 2 and 3 standout ideas. So let's pick out of this five these 2 ideas here. So as a creative leader, you can use this output as a starting point. So you don't have to accept everything at face value. Think of ChatGPT as your junior creative teammate, always ready with rough drafts. Now let's take one idea and develop it into real copy. So I will ask ChatGPT to write Instagram captions and a tagline for the campaign. So we can go to our prompt list and we can give this prompt here. And I'm going to my ChatGPT page here, and I am giving the prompt. Let's see what it's going to generate. You see that the Instagram captions, fast fashion, tagline, it's going to generate here. So the real power is in iteration. Let's refine one of these captions by making more action driven. So I can go to our prompt list and refinement we can do. Rewrite these caption options with copy the prompt here, and I'm going to the session again. And let's see what is it's going to generate here. So it's rewrite the impact here, the call to action with the stronger call to action to the follower, push followers to share. So notice how the copy shifts from just informative to participatory. That's exactly what drives Gen Z engagement. So I am going to the our next prompt list, like tone adjustment if needed, like rewrite these captions in a minimalist, eco-conscious brand voice. This is the optional prompt for, so you can option this two also, and go to the our this list. So it is already generates all the captions here. Another optional tag prompt I can give, like variation generator, like generate 5 alternative versions of the tagline on different styles. I can go to the I'm going to the window here. So it's mentioned the 5 alternative tagline versions, like playful and casual, inspirational, bold and edgy, minimalist, community focused. So with this demo, what we understand that you can use ChatGPT in a creative leadership role. Always contextualize your prompts with your audience and brand voice. Treat ChatGPT's output as a version one, great for drafts, but polish your team. So you can use this prompt to refine the output, use iteration, ask for variations until you hit the right tone. So that's how you can brainstorm campaigns and copy in minutes with ChatGPT. In the next demo, we will switch gears and explore visual creativity using AI design tools like Midjourney and DALL-E. See you there. Thanks, everyone.